morning, everybody. It's been a rough few days here in Texas. We had a storm come on through, and I think they said we had like 80-mile-an-hour winds. Caused some damage. But God helped pull us through, and we had some nice family time together. So I thought today I'd just bring you along to show you a day in the life, a little POV kind of thing on our little farm and what we do. So let's get started with the day's work. Everybody, good morning. It's time to get our chores started. First, we let the dogs out. They're gonna come running through like a bullet train through that door like they do every morning. And then we'll start feeding the animals. What are you doing, Salem? Good morning, baby. Better watch out, the dogs are coming. Meow. You pretty girl. What my baby. Nope. Dogs.
More.
Good morning, baby. Stop being rude. Time to feed the goats some branches. Trim your trees and save money at the same time. It's a morning chore every day. And they love it. Let's go look. Really a happy little pig. Piglet. The storm made a huge mess. Alright, so with the storm, we were also without of power for like 3 days. Hopefully it stays on. There's a lot of people in our area that still don't have power. But it kind of fried something in our dryer. So we have to order the part and get it fixed. But so for now, I don't even know if you guys can see it, but we like put up a little line. I think you can kind of see it right there. To hang dry some clothes. So that's what we're gonna do real quick. There we go. We're really getting back to the basics now. But it smells really good.
Meanwhile,
There you go. Happy kitty. Our porch is a bit of a mess, but that's because we were cooking and hanging out and had everything for the storm and having no electricity all out on the porch. So hopefully some point today we'll get this all cleaned up. But this generator was our saving grace, that's for sure. I think our heat index was 126 on the hottest day. Not too comfortable. But we made it through. Praise God. Alright, that's a little bit better. Alright, so as you can tell, and I think you saw earlier in the video, our coop roof had caved in. So loud. So now, all of our birds are on the back porch. It's messy and gross and not ideal, but they're all safe. I hear you. So now we're gonna clean all this up the best that we can. Give them some food and water. And let the big birds out. Some of them won't want to come off the porch because they were trapped when the roof caved in. They're a little skittish. They'll get over it in due time. So let's get everything cleaned up and get them some water. Can you not peck my toes, please? No. And Rooster's in there, Rooster Cogburn, because he's a big old meanie. But they'll all free range today out in the yard. And then they'll come back up here when the sun sets, just until we get the coop fixed. Waiting for the yard to dry up.
Why is it out?
Back up.
Hello, turkeys.
Hey, pretty girl. Already knocked over one water pole. It's better than it was out here. Still gross, but do what you can with what you have, right?
Can confirm.
All right, here. Check for eggs.
Okay. Let's look for some eggs. Are there any up here? Aha! The sourcing of the day. And it didn't even focus.
Got a late start. We have some cucumbers, and carrots, and squash, I believe. Doesn't get cold here until October, November, so we should still be able to harvest.
It's the next day. It's just too hot to get much done with the heat waves that's going on and whatnot. Yesterday I think we went inside a million different times for some water and to cool off, and really our nighttime routine is just to make sure the animals are all put up and safe and they have plenty of water to get them through the night. So in the future I was thinking about doing a easy summer recipe video. If you have any especially non-cook recipes, let me know in the description down below, and I guess we'll see you next time. Okay, bye guys.